Hello, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am Anne LaFollette, and we're going to jump into memberships again this week. I promised that I would come back and talk to you about 3 different creative membership types that I think will get your kind of wheels turning so that you can realize that you probably have an incredible idea right now that you could turn into a creative membership. So these are just 3 examples from my own community, but there are so many more. All right, the first one is a subscription box. Now, you might already be a member of a subscription box. Maybe actually it's a wine club, or maybe it's some other type of subscription that you're a part of where you get a delivery every month of something that you love. Maybe it's a chocolate subscription. In this particular case, Marianne Walker-LeClaire, who's one of my students and she lives up in Ontario, Canada, she created this incredible curated box of her own art. It's called Favorite Things. Marianne is also very passionate about painting and paint parties and paint kits. Here's her website, and I'm just scrolling down so that you can see what she has on offer. And just think about it. It's a great way for you to get your artwork out into the world and for you to curate a really, really beautiful sort of set of gifts for someone to receive every month that they can then use and either re-gift themselves, or maybe it includes a creative project inside it. Example number 2 is greeting cards, a greeting card subscription. My student, Natasha Zahn, who lives up on Kodiak Island, which is a tiny island up in Alaska. She loves all things paper, and she's an ink and watercolor artist, and she does a lot of art that she puts on greeting cards and calendars and a whole bunch of other products. However, she wanted to enhance her business and have some recurring revenue, so she created a greeting card subscription. That every month you're going to get a beautiful set of greeting cards, and she doesn't just send you the cards, she sends you a list of ideas of who to send them to and what are some upcoming holidays that you could celebrate by sending someone a card. Another incredibly great idea. And then the last example that I wanted to share is actually teaching something. So one of my students, Pauline Riley, loves to use the Procreate app. And she absolutely not only loves to use it to create her own artwork, but she loves to teach it. So she has a membership where she teaches a little bit, something new, some new technique, some new way to use the Procreate app to continue to hone your creative skills and use this fantastic app on your tablet or on your iPad to create the kind of artwork that you want to put out into the world. And there's so many of those types of memberships, but just think, yours would be totally different. So the 3 things that hold people back from creating a membership themselves is number 1, it's been done already. And here's the thing. Everything's been done already, but it hasn't been done by you. It doesn't have your unique twist to it, which is what is going to attract your type of person into your membership. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, it's going to be too hard. The tech's going to be too hard, or I'm too old to handle the tech. And listen, I got started in this online world in my late 50s, and the tech is even easier now than it was even 5 years ago. So please do not let the tech hold you back. It absolutely is doable. And as I like to say, we can do hard things. We just have to take it one baby step at a time. And then the third thing is, I just don't know if I have enough confidence to actually attract a community of people who might want to do what I'm doing. And I think that comes from a place of not having gotten enough support around how talented you actually are and how you have great ideas. And there are people out in the world who absolutely will love what you have to offer. And I think that the thing about today that's so spectacular is you don't just have to offer this in your local community because of the online nature of being able to reach essentially the globe. You can find your people, and you can find the type of people who absolutely want to do exactly what it is that you want to share with them. So the last thing that I'll say in today's video is that Stu is doing a webinar. It's on April 30th. I'll make sure that there's a link below this video for you to sign up for it. And if you missed his workshop, this is great because he's going to recap what he did in his 3-part series. So if you missed it, this is a great way for you to get the cliff notes. And then he's also going to talk about what are the 3 biggest secrets that you need to know before you get started in creating your own membership. I'll leave the link below so that you can join the webinar and come back next week, because I'm going to tell you about the bonus package that I'm offering if you enroll in Stu's membership experience through me. I am a very proud affiliate, and I want to make sure that you get the extra support that you need since you're going to be focused on a creative membership. And I cannot wait to tell you all about it. I always like to say in closing that I am Ann LaFollette, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now. And I'll see you next week.